Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 8, I believe, of the big package unboxing I got from a friend. So yeah, I believe this is another spinner. Yep. Alright, let's put that aside. Check out what else is in the box. Nothing. We'll put this aside. One sec. Alright, let's check out the spinner. It's pretty cool. It's pretty like, I think you could do, this could be a multi-fidget. You can spin these individually, as well as the spinner itself. So it goes from being this kind of spinner to like that. It's pretty cool. Sounds pretty cool too. I am not the best at spinning spinners. That's pretty cool. The thing's still spinning. It's a pretty cool sound. I think this is the best sounding one I have so far. Love that sound. That's pretty cool. And let me pull out the other fidgets I got. I mean the other spinners. This is one. This was number 2. And number 3. This is like the most similar to this because these things also extend when spun. So let's get bigger. And yeah, this is number 4. I think we got a couple more spinners left in the box. And yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I like it. It does have a bit of like a wobble, but that's like expected with these kind of like ends. But yeah, I dig this thing. Whoops, I almost knocked my camera off. My bad. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I think I've officially caught the spinner bug. Just hopefully I don't get attached to the tungsten spinners, bro. Those things are expensive, like 200 plus per spinner, even 300 at some points. But yeah, I like how this is like a kind of a multi-fidget, or like multi-spinner fidget. You can like play with this silently, or you can just rip it. I believe this sounds the closest to tungsten. And then you should listen to this one. And then this one. this one. But yeah, this is by far the best sounding one. I like that sound. Maybe it's because of the bearing. I have no clue. You guys tell me if you guys know about spinners. But yeah, this thing's great. Alright, well, I'm gonna put these away. Again, I believe this thing's on G1. I will leave a link if it is down below if you guys want to get it. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I love that sound. It sounds like tungsten, I think. I've never played with this tungsten spinner, but it's what it sounds like from other people's videos. But yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Like I said, check out G1. They may have the spinner. If they do, I'll link it. And check out their other spinners, Fidgets. They got pretty cool stuff. If you use my code, you get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. See you guys in the next one.